Hello and thanks for tuning in. This is Holly Shields live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney and you're watching the early trades. Let's take a look at our market open report as the afternoon ticks over. The S&P ASX 200 is lower today, dropping 0.53% and setting a new 50-day low. The bottom performing stocks in this index include Link Administration, which is down 12.68%, and Healius down 5.95%. Over the past week, the index has lost 3.98% and sits 3.78% above its 52-week low. And looking at some stocks today making a buzz on the ASX in the opening session, Nearmap has filed an additional inter partes review against Eagleview. Following the three inter partes review that Nearmap filed against Eagleview in March of 2022, this latest filing brings the current total to 4 patents that Nearmap seeks to have invalidated. An IPR is a legal procedure that challenges the validity of patents before the US Patent Trial and Appeal Board, and it continues Nearmap's vigorous challenge of what it considers to be Eagleview's meritless claims. Meanwhile, GPT Group today announced its operational update for the quarter ending March 31. The report highlighted the company's retail portfolio occupancy was 99.2%, with solid leasing inquiry translating to 231 lease deals. Meanwhile, specialty leasing spreads of 5% have continued to improve, with the average annual increases of 4.2% and an average lease term of 4.4 years. Plus, GPT Group's logistics portfolio maintains a long-weighted average lease expiry of 6.3 years, with occupancy at 97.5%. Signed leases of 75,000 square meters were achieved in the quarter as well, and an additional 18,600 square meters of terms have been agreed to. GPT continues to maintain a strong balance sheet position with a $1 billion of liquidity. And meanwhile as well, Integral Diagnostics announced that it has agreed to acquire Exact Radiology, which is located in Brisbane and the surrounding areas. The acquisition provides IDX the opportunity to build and expand its business in southeast Queensland, and it's expected to be completed in early financial year 23. The deal will be funded by both proceeds from IDX's recent capital raising and existing debt facilities. And then Money3 Corporation, the automotive finance specialist, has announced that it's implementing an on-market share buyback of up to $15 million as a part of the company's capital management strategy. The buyback of ordinary shares will be for a period of up to 12 months, and this decision reflects the strong confidence of the board and management in the group's financial performance and future growth prospects. And in other news, Self Wealth shareholders, the Gaywood family, have described the upcoming vote as a waste of company time and money, and urged other investors to vote against the proposal put forward by the requisiting shareholders who seek to roll 2 directors. Lee Gaywood, on behalf of LGGC, which owns more than 5% of the business, supported this strategy of CEO Kath Whittaker. The board of Self Wealth have already asked shareholders to reject the motions, as fellow substantial shareholder Dat Capital will vote against its shares against the proposal. And that is a wrap on the early trades, but tune in next time on Kalkine TV. I'm Holly Shields signing off.